Now let's practice this question. Find the value of this plus this. First of all, we have to find out square root of this. Then we'll find out square root of this. Then we'll add both the answers. So let's start with this first. The number is 47,089. The very first prime factor of this will be 7. It is not divided by 2, 3, 5. So very first prime factor is 7. When you divide it, you will get 6, 7, 2, 7. Again, find a prime factor of for this, and that will be again 7. It becomes 961. 961 is not divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19. It's directly divisible by 31. You can check, it is not divisible by any number before 31. So square root of this will be, make a pair 7, make a pair 31. 217 is square root of this. We are writing 217 here. Similarly, you have to find out square root of this also. That is 24,336. 6 is even number, so clearly it is divisible by 2. First of all, on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. Again on the table of 2. Now 1521 is not divisible by 2 as it is odd number. So let us try 3, and it is divisible by 3 on 507. Again it is divisible by 3 on 169. Again it is divisible by, no, it is not divisible by 3, it's divisible by 13. So let's make pair. First is this, 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 this. Pairwise it is complete. So square root of 24,336 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Multiply 12 and 13, you'll get 156. Multiply 12 and 13, you'll get 156. Bus add these two numbers, you'll get your answer. 373 is answer. I hope question number 7 is also clear. Now moving further to question number 8. See, bacha, if we directly see 200 is not a perfect square. We can't find out a number if you square that and we get 200. There's no number. In fractional number, especially in rational number, try this. If we cut these two numbers, if possibility of cutting is there, let us see. Here we can cut on the table of 2, we'll get 100, and here we'll get 196. And just now we have done square root of 100 is 10 into 10, and square root of 196 is 14 into 14. So our answer is 10 upon 14, or you may write it as 5 upon 7, right? So 5 upon 7 is square root of this. So whenever you get any question which is in form of fraction, try to cut it first, then try to find out answer. So question number 8, when it is square root of fractional number, see what concepts we have covered up to till. First of all, we have done simple prime factorization. Then we have done decimals. Then we have seen addition of square roots of two numbers. Then we have questions of fractions also. These 4 concepts are covered in today's video.